Hey guys, this is section 3 for your Unit 1 Geometric Transformations Formal Explanations. This section will be on section 3, which is Symmetry. Those questions are going to cover questions 3, 7, and 12 on your Unit 1 test. Let's get started. Question 3, given a regular hexagon, emphasis here is regular, state the angle of rotation and the number of lines of symmetry. I provided a picture for you of what a regular hexagon looks like. The emphasis here is again on regular. So what I can do right away is take 360 and divide by 6, the number of sides of a hexagon. We could count them if we needed to. So 360 divided by 6 is going to be 60 degrees. So our angle of rotation here is going to be 60, which knocks out letter options A and B. Additionally, because it is regular, n is going to be equal to 6, meaning your lines of symmetry will be 6. Your option, your letter answer here is D. If you needed to, you could kind of sketch out what those lines of symmetry would look like. I know these are not perfect, but you get the idea here. Point to point, and then obviously in the middle of the side to the other middle of the side. For the figure below, state the angle of rotation and the number of lines of symmetry. If I try to draw a line across in the middle here, if I fold it over that line, this point here, when I fold it over, is going to come kind of that way. Same thing for this side. It's going to come that way. So that's not going to be a perfectly mirrored image. If I do it along the center here, I'm going to have an overlap here and here. And if I try to do it corner to corner, I'm going to have a little bit of the same thing going on there, and it's going to overlap. So in this case, with your parallelograms, more so your quadrilaterals slanted like this, you're going to have 0 lines of symmetry. There's not any way that we can cut this shape so that it will produce a mirror image of the other side. Now, angle of rotation, if I mark on one corner, the number of times that I can spin this image on itself, well, once that corner gets to that corner, and then once again back around to the beginning, so that would be once and twice, and 360 divided by those 2 rotations are going to be 180 degrees of your angle of rotation. So 0 lines of symmetry, angle of rotation of 180. A regular polygon, has 8 sides. What will the angle of rotation be? Because it said regular, I can automatically 360 divided by 8 is equal to, do our math here really quickly, 8 into 36 is 4, with 4 left over. 8 into 40 is 45. So we would have an angle of rotation of 45 degrees, which would be letter option D. And again, I can do that because it specifically said that it was a regular polygon. If it's not regular, you would have to count up the sides, or you would have to look at how many times you spin it for it to get back onto itself, just like we did with question 7. That is your symmetry section. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask myself, Miss Mann, Miss Lawson, Miss McKeever, Miss Jackson, Miss Carter, any of your Math 2 teachers. We would love to be a help to you.